what sort of. I'll just.
Oh, it's running right
now. Yeah. Not yet. I'll give you. I'll just say now. Now.
That was it.
It's gonna have to be in slow-mo.
Okay, we're out of here.
Better get my name off the thing.
That's fine. Birds will pick it.
Yeah, you're right. Damn it. Come in a second.
Just go slime balls a few times just for the fuck of it. All right, and we can edit that in.
And I'll try to get a burp in. Do one of those just right now. Slime balls! That was a little bit not bad.
Do it again.
Slime balls! I have to get a good burp in. Boy, those fucking burps are...
Go. Slime balls as loud as you can because you're pretty far from the microphone, and then just do a belch after that. That'll work until we get a big belch coming up.
Alright.
Whoops, it's running.
Still a low one. They scream in a minute, but slime balls!
Do that one again.
With a little more authority.
Yeah,
Ready?
louder.
Slime balls! Shit, I don't know why the burp's not wanting to come. I can't. Oh, shit, it's fucked right now. Go speed freak. Speed freak! Speed freak! How's that? Freaks! Not bad. I want to fucking get a screamer going here. Yeah, hold it. Damn it.
Speed wheels.
Ready for it? Speed wheels! They fucked you. They fucking gone again. Try it again. That's not very good.
Speed wheels.
Speed wheels! Fucking burps are gone, man.
Do that one again.
Speed wheels?
Yeah.
Speed wheels!
Another frame because I got just your face in. Okay, speed freaks.
Speed freaks! Damn it, we missed it again. We got it? But that's a good sign that I think it's starting to build.
If you have to puke, puke this way.
It's just still that, you know when there's a, it's a good belt and it just fucking tapers off. Start going for the doc. Go for the doctor. Maybe this is working.
When you finish one of those, go ha 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 ha, and that'll be the end of the video, baby. Just open your mouth and go like that.
I feel one pretty soon here in a minute. I know it's coming too. Still on. Never had it?
Do it over.
Speed wheels what? Speed wheels. Still, are we on? Speed wheels, no fillers. Never had it, never will.
When you finish one of those, go ha 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 ha, and that'll be the end of the video, maybe. Just open your mouth and go like that.
I feel one pretty soon here. I know it's coming too. Still on. Never had it?
Do it over.
Speed wheels what? Speed wheels. Still, are we on? Speed wheels, no fillers. Never had it, never will.
Yeah, do them both and then shake your head a bunch.
No, no way! Like that? No! No dice!
Excellent, that was good. I'll do something else now.
Alright. Your mama! That was a good one.
Okay, just do a good ha ha ha.
No way!
Glasses are crooked. Which probably they should be crooked. Do it.
No way!
Write some.
Yeah, I'll just.
So it's running right now.
Okay, so tell me when to start zooming.
Okay, go ahead. It's time for new batteries.
Tweak his feet so they're not so weird. There you go.
Drunk sailor.
You're really gonna want to kill the thing when you get a chance.
Should I smash him after he falls down?
Preferably not.
We gotta get him just 2 or 3 seconds or 4 seconds of wiggling, right? Drunk sailor. Ready?
Yep.
Ah, that's a fucker. Here we go. That could have been better.
That was pretty.
Go.
He'll just say now.
Okay. There won't be any soundtrack to this or nothing.
No.
So,
That's it.
you got this ready?
Yep.
Go for it.
Over here, Gretchen. Get in the middle there, Gretchen. Eat the middle part, Gretchen.
It's okay, we can cut to the middle whenever she gets there.
Vegetarian. Not a meat and potato kind of girl.
she can go for it.
Here you go, buddy. Here you go. Now we're talking.
All done?
Yeah.
Thank you.
I got you. Yeah, she's
Now you are?
Yep. Okay, whenever you're ready. Whenever you're ready.
Splap it.
That one's gonna be really good. Should work. Go for it.
Try to get that middle one there.
Thinking of throwing a mat match. The match is gonna go out.
Yep, we're going.
It's gonna be big.
Nope,
Did you get him?
nope. What is that? What is that down there?
There. What's that?
Touch it. Hey, jackass, come here. Come here. Come on. Come here. Come here, bud. Come here. Come here. Come on. Who are you calling jackass, human? Okay.
Apple right now.
Huh?
Turn it off and see if the battery
Can't tell what it is.
too tight.
Yeah, we'll see. He might go for it again. Just a second. Barely tell what it is. Putting an apple right on the sign. That's the ticket. That way you can see the mouth and everything. That's the ticket. Cut to that. Oh, look at all that slaw on there. Smush there.
Is that it?
Yep.
We're done. Thank you.
Yes. Abstract, but okay. Oh my lord! Just what the doctor ordered.
We have to get out of here.
Yep. I'm ready whenever you are.
We are?
Yep.
We're cooking.
Yep. Sick. All right, it's ready when you are. Put it right over your eyes. Do it again. No, do it again without your hand. Do it with the salsa label. There you go. Perfect. Okay, is that it?
Yeah.
Get the fuck out of here. It's ready when you are.
Jesus. Same spot all over.
Cool.
Thank you, I needed that.
Don't laugh. Just stay still. All right, ready? Go.
Camel! Give me a camel!